Welcome to our video on Dell laptop tips for 2025. Today, we're diving into some hidden settings that can enhance your experience. First, let's access the Dell Power Manager. This tool allows you to optimize your battery life efficiently. Next, we'll enable the Windows Precision Touchpad settings. Customize your gestures for increased efficiency. Now let's adjust your display settings. Discover secrets to enhance brightness and color calibration. Utilizing Dell Support Assist can help automate system health checks and keep your updates in check. Next, exploring BIOS settings will reveal performance tweaks and essential security features. Learn to configure Windows Sandbox. It's a secure way to test new applications without risk. Customize Dell Mobile Connect for seamless integration between your devices. Unlock the potential of your keyboard by accessing hidden shortcuts that boost productivity in your daily tasks. To recap, we've explored essential hidden settings to enhance your Dell laptop experience. Thanks for watching.